Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can make those trending HDR style CapCut videos using just your mobile phone. Whether you want to post on YouTube Short, Reels or TikTok, this will make your CapCut edits go viral. So first step, you can just import your clip into the video editor apps that you prefer. You can use CapCut, VN or Alight Motions. So in here, I'm choosing CapCut. You can just click on new project and import your CapCut clip. So for example, I'm using this videos right here. So you need to choose clips with good lighting or daylight for better HDR effect like this. So in CapCut, you can just go to adjust. Here, click on a clip and go to adjust. Now set the brightness into 10, contrast 20, saturation 25, and set the highlights to -10, and sharpness, let's go back to 35, and you can just click on a check icon. So now the video will look like this. As you guys can see, it looks much better than the previous version. And you can also add color adjustment layer if you want to. And next, you can add trending sound. So you can click on sound or audio in here. Go to sounds, and in here, if you have CapCut link with your TikTok account, you can just click on the TikTok icon in here and then find the trending cricket or sport edit sound. And after that, you can sing the impact moments like hitting a 6 or wicket fall with beat drops. And next, add motions and text. So you can add slow zoom in, shake transition, and impact flash on key moments. And here I'm going to add text, and let's find the text template in here. Then you can find the category by swiping it to the left. For example, let's go with the game options, and in here I'm going to use, let's say, this one, but I'm going to change the content into, for example, unstoppable. I'm going to use also emoji in here. Let's add just this one. Then you can just go back and hit on the check icon. I'm going to find the moments to add the text. Okay, you can now just adjust the size and positions of the text to match with the clips. Okay, so it will look like this now. And next, you can just click on export at the top. Here, set the export settings in a 1080p, and for the frame rate, set it into 60 fps. And you can also increase the brightness and contrast slightly after export if the app support HDR enhancement. So that's how you can make trending HDR CapCut videos right from your mobile phone. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. See you in the next tutorial.